What up YouTube, Jade up here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the rear crash bars on the Indian Challenger. Okay guys, so basically the rear crash bars was definitely something I wanted to put on the Challenger sooner than later. I'm going to try something I was kind of nervous about doing, but we're going to see how it works. I got these for, I think it was 65 bucks off Amazon. They're supposed to be like OE almost identical, but they're not directly from Indians. So the quality of them probably will not be on the same level that Indians is. But I figured, you know what, for 65 bucks just to put something on the bike, and this should not be a very difficult install, it would be worth it to try them. And if for some reason within 6 months or whatever it is, I start getting a lot of flaking of the paint, peeling, just not holding up very well, I'll spend the extra money and get the ones from Indian, because I think the ones from Indian are almost 400 bucks. A lot of money. So like I said, we're gonna try these, see how they do. But from what I understand, these are pretty easy to install. Like I said, I got these from Amazon. I think it was like 65 or 70 bucks. I didn't get the $39 ones. I went up to the next one. It got a few better reviews than the other pair that was 40 bucks. So this might be a way to save money. Might have been a waste of 65 bucks. I don't know. So we're gonna find out. Okay, y'all, so when I ordered these, you get two of them. For, like I said, I think it's like 65 or 70 bucks or something. I got them in gloss black to match the front crash bar. And it comes with 5 of these replacement bolts. From what I understand, I can only see 3 per side, so I'm not sure. Maybe they gave you 2 extras, which if they did, that's kind of cool, I guess. But let's check out the quality of these. Okay, so these are the ones I got here. So yeah, I was right, 3 bolts per side. So yeah, 6 bolts. You might have to reuse a bolt actually, unless I'm counting wrong. So let's see how well they go on. Okay, y'all, so first thing you gotta do is take this plastic cover off. There's a little cover on there that's held in with 1 bolt. You just gotta take that off. It's a 6mm Allen, which is what I'm using. Pretty easy. And then you also gotta take this cover off, also a 6mm Allen. Okay, so here's the bottom cover. Pretty easy to get off. Now, guys, this kit that I bought only comes with 5 new bolts. You're going to need 6, 3 per side. If you got the Dark Horse, I'm going to recommend reusing the 2 black bolts that you take out from here and here. And I want to say put them on the outside so it looks apparent black, and then just use 1 each of the new ones. Look like this, and use that one here. That way, it's not really going to work. Or that way, it's not going to really be seen. Sorry, that's what I meant. So one other thing I discovered. You are going to have to get this saddlebag out of the way. Whether you take it off completely, which really sucks because I just had these off to do the bag light install. But at some point or another, you're going to have this saddlebag off. I took the other side completely off. This side I kind of just moved to the back. But you're going to need it to get this bolt tightened on the crash bar. So yeah, do with that information what you will, but I'm just telling you what you're going to have to do. Okay, so I've got the crash bar. The one with the 2 nuts goes on top. This one goes on the bottom. And I'm going to just kind of, they look pretty close. I'm going to start all 3 of these bolts before I tighten anything up, because I have a funny feeling I'm going to have to manhandle this thing. Okay, so I got those 2 started, and as you can see, this one's not 100% lining up, which means I'm going to have to manhandle this thing into place. So unfortunately, I'll have to do that part. I can't do it while holding the camera. All right, guys, holy crap. All right. Whew. All right, so what I wind up having to do, because this did not want to line up to get these bolts started, okay? I had these 2 started originally and tried. You almost literally have to push down on this in order to get these bolts started. So what I wound up doing was, because this one was just not happening, I could not lift up on it enough to actually get this bolt started. So I went ahead and got this. I took these bolts out, put this one in, got it started. Not very tight, just about, 5, 6, 7 threads, just something enough to get her in there. And then I had to literally push down on this here until I could get this one started, and then this one pretty much lined up once I got this one started. So guys, you're gonna need to manhandle these a little bit. So they're on there, but man, it is definitely a tight fit, a very tight fit. So do not be surprised if you have to manhandle them a little bit to get them to fit in. And now I'm just gonna tighten them up real good. Something else too, guys. So like I said, look how close that is. To get this, I had to put this huge extension on here so I wouldn't, because the ratchet kept touching the bar. So just keep that in mind too when you're going to do this job. These are all tight. We're secure. Hopefully they'll hold up, guys. We'll see what happens. I honestly don't know. I'll have to give an update video like 6 months from now or something like that and show you guys if it's worth it or not. Like I said, it's just kind of a nice way to save a few bucks in my opinion, but let's get these bags put back on. All right, guys, so yeah, that's installed. Still got to put the side cover back on, but all in all, I say that looks pretty damn close to the real thing. So like I said, if you're willing to manhandle these, and I don't know, maybe the Indians are just as difficult to install. I honestly don't know, but I would say if you're willing to manhandle these a little bit, save a few bucks, probably worth it. Now, obviously, I don't know how well they're going to function, like if you were to lay the bike down or tip the bike over, and I really don't want to find out right now. So, we'll see, guys. We'll see. I will give an update if I feel it's necessary, or if you guys want it. If you want an update video in 6 months, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I am seriously considering the crash guard protectors. I think they're like 300 bucks for both the front and the rear, and that way if for some reason you were to tip the bike over or lay the bike down, it gets on those powder coated protectors and it doesn't scrape up the crash bar. Something I'm thinking about doing, might be worth it. But like I said, guys, pretty straightforward install. It's not really, it wasn't difficult. You're gonna have to manhandle those bars to get them in position to bolt them down. Once you get the bolts started and you're going, it's easy. It's good. It's just getting them started was a royal pain in the butt. So, but anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Once again, I appreciate it. I still have a heel shifter that I'm working on. I'm going to get that video out to you guys hopefully soon. And once again, if you guys want to see videos, specific things, have suggestions for mods, whatever, please leave me a comment down below. Like I said, I try to get back to everybody in the comment section that I can, because I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. Subscriber list is growing and growing. I really appreciate that. It's almost at 4,000. I mean, let's just keep pumping those numbers up, guys. It helps me out on the channel. And like I said, you know, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. I mean, I appreciate everybody. And thank you for your time today. See you next video.